All right, I'm good.
You got it, right?
Oh, got it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hold it tight with your hand.
I'm trying. I'm slipping on this shit.
You okay, Eric? Holy shit.